Whippy Chick here. I got a card. How pretty is that? Look at all the butterflies. I love butterflies. So the card, look, it's got a little sticker with my name, Whippy Chick, on it. Julie, hey, I wanted to send some of my mystery Kramer yarn to some of my favorite YouTubers, and you made that list. I love your channel, your shorts, you are so funny. I'm funny, all right. In more ways than one. Love the naughty hooker. I hope you enjoy the yarn. Thanks for making such great content. Thanks, Mandy Donahue, a fellow New Yorker. Thank you so much, Mandy. And oh my gosh, you guys, I have to show you what's in this box. I was gobsmacked. Love to say that phrase, gobsmacked. Watch too much British television, I guess. So let me show you what's in this box. There's a lot, so I gotta get to it. So there's this beautiful brown, I think it's cotton. I'm terrible with fibers. Anyway, it's really pretty. It's gonna be beautiful for fall stuff. And there's a lot of it. Like there's like five skeins of it, right? Oh my gosh, I love that brown. It's so pretty. I'm usually like really vibrant colors, but this is gorgeous. It makes me think of the leaves in the fall. It really does. So, not sure what this is gonna be yet, but I'll keep you posted. So, this is kind of interesting because this I think would, there are 3 skeins of this, I think this would kind of complement that really well for something in the fall. I'm just not sure what, so I'll keep you posted. So there's those, and then I love green. I love green. This is the same yarn. I think these are all the same kind of yarn. They're just different colors. So I love those. How pretty is that green? And all of these, I'm gonna try to do a ginger and pick it all up. All of them kind of complement each other really, really well. So I might have to like do a big project with all of these because I do like them all. Okay, sorry, I'm in the park. There's always people walking by and there's a great big mower over there. I get distracted easily. Okay, and so this is so fluffy. Can you see it? Can you see the fluff? It's so pretty. And it's super, super fine. Can you see? Can you see it? It's so, so fluffy. Makes me think of a bunny rabbit. So there are 4 of those. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna have to rearrange to fit all of this yarn in my yarn space. Oh, and I'm dropping them because my lap isn't big enough to hold it all. Okay, so this is the last thing that's in the box. Now y'all know my favorite color is green. This is as green as it comes. Look at that. It's like Kelly green meets grass green, and they get together and have green babies. Green. So pretty. I love it. And this yarn is the bumpy kind of yarn. How do you like that for a technical term? This is the bumpy kind of yarn. It's really, really cool though. So I've got an idea for this. I call me crazy, but I think amigurumi for this, because I think with little stitches in this like texture, I think like alligator or frogs. What do you think? I think that would be really cool. So I'm gonna give that a try. So that was a really unexpected but fun surprise that I got in my mailbox. And there's a whole story that goes along with it. See, I knew that I had a package at the post office. I got one of those little cards in my mailbox that says you have a package. And I went to get my package from the young lady at the counter who was filling in that day. And she said, I can't find it. Can't find it, but it's here. Find it. And because the post office closes at the same time I leave from my job, I can't get to the post office in time to get my package until Saturday. So I had to wait a whole week to come back and get it. So that was a bummer. But I finally got it and I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you to Mandy. Thank you so much. Super, super thoughtful of you. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next thing because I've been busy. Guys. I made another hat of Ginger's. I'm not going to put any hats on today because, you know, ponytail and hairspray. So I'm not going to put it on, but I love it. I do love this hat that she's designed. You can wear it so many different ways. So if you haven't checked out Ginger's bucket hat, go ahead and check it out. The yarn I used for this is the comfy cotton that I got at the Christmas tree shop. So if you want to make it, I used 3 strands together, and I want to say the colorway is the Mai Tai. I'm 99% sure. I didn't bring it with me, but I'm pretty sure this is the Mai Tai. So check that out. I used 3 strands together, so now I have 3 half-empty cakes that I'm gonna have to rewind. Okay, so another project I've been working on is a project that was kind of commissioned from my sister, and I say commissioned loosely because I would never in a million years have my sister pay me to make something for her. And actually it's not even for her, it's for her husband. So I'm using this crazy color, which you know I love. But my brother-in-law is quite the deadhead, and she saw this hat on Etsy, and it was rainbow, and on the brim of this slouch hat was was a Grateful Dead dancing bear. So I'm waiting for the patch to come in the mail so I can put the patch on his slouch hat. But I don't know, I think it's got a lot of pink in it, but she says it's perfect. So hopefully he likes it. I think he gets colder than most people because he's on chemo. So yeah, I think that's why she wanted a slouch hat for him, because they live in Florida, so it's not cold there, but he gets cold easy. So anyway, simple knit slouch hat. I got the pattern from Lion Brand, and actually one of these skeins makes the whole hat. This colorway is called Boardwalk Promenade. Or is it Promenade? It's Promenade, right? Anyway, I love those colors. And I didn't know how much I was going to need, so I bought 2 of them. So I'll have to make another one. Or make something. Okay, so let's see, what else is going on? There was a milestone. I reached a milestone. Can you guess what it was? Got 1,000 subscribers. I reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. It was a goal to reach it by June 21st, which is the first day of summer. I was hoping to be fully monetized by June 21st. So I have the subscribers, and I just have, I don't know, I want to say like 50 watch hours. So it's possible. I could possibly get there. And I don't even really care about the money end of it. Of course, everybody likes to get money, right? But I didn't start YouTube to get monetized or anything like that. I started YouTube to make new friends, and I did. I have been successful in creating new friends. So anyway, it's just fun to say I'm monetized, I guess. All right, I have one more thing to show you. At this point, I think we've all seen this. The Chameleon color changing yarn by Premier. And basically, from the little bit of research I've done, this yarn has been treated chemically so that when a UV ray of light hits it, it will change color. So this one is white. They all start with white, but when you get them into some UV light, they will change color. So I thought, what could I make with this yarn? And my answer was a beach bag. So I have started this beach bag, and I'm pulling my stitches out. Gosh darn it. Pulling my stitches out. So I started this beach bag. It's a little bit big, but I still have a skein and a half to go. And as you can see, I'm in my car and it is white. Now we're gonna do a little experiment. I'm going to go outside of my car so that you can see it change color. And if the dude on the mower thinks I'm a cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, well then so be it. I don't care. Let's go out of the car. I have tried this at home and it does work. All right, I'm gonna switch the camera lens around. Okay, so here we go. Look, it's already starting. It's already starting to change color. Where can I put this so it doesn't get all dirty? Nowhere, I guess. Look, see? It's supposed to be pink on the bottom and yellow on the top, but to me it looks a little more purpley, a little more lavendery. And just so you know, I am not adjusting the color at all on my editing software. I'm just keeping it as is so you can see. So that is the pink and the yellow. Now I'm just gonna grab, here's the river while I get the other color. Let's watch it change together. Is it changing to purple? It is. So it is changing. But yeah, now it's changing back to white. So anyway, it is really interesting. A lot of people are asking about the chemical smell. I agree. There is definitely a smell. I have had a number of people smell it. They think I'm crazy because I just go up to them and say, here, smell this yarn. To me, it smells soapy. It smells like soap. I know that it's not soap. So obviously it is treated with some sort of chemical, but they do not make that clear on the packaging. It doesn't say anywhere on here why it changes color. So this is a little goofy. I don't know what to think about that. But yeah, if you can get through this smell, like if this smell isn't gonna bother you, great. For me personally, I wouldn't want to make a wearable with it. I just don't think I'd want to wear it on my skin and be smelling it all day. I have not washed it. I don't know whether the scent fades as you wash it or not, but I will give that a try and keep you posted. But I thought a beach bag would be a good idea because after all, if your sun bag is getting sunburned, then you're probably getting sunburned too. So put on your sunblock, which would be in your beach bag. I'm a dork. I'm sorry, guys. I can't help it. I'm just dorky. So, at any rate, I am going to cut this short at this point. Short. This is like a wicked long video. But at any rate, I am going to add in some photos because I got some more photos to show you from my good friend out in California, Olivia, from Fiber Fun with Olivia. She has a channel called Fiber Fun with Olivia, and it just takes me a minute because she changed the name recently, so that's why I'm like acting like a weirdo, like I can't remember her name. But anyway, if you haven't checked out her channel, check it out. She does the most beautiful work. She really does. Everything she does is immaculate, from her makeup to her nails to her crochet and knitting. Everything about Olivia is perfect. She's amazing. So at any rate, she and her family did some hiking and she sent me some photos to put in the end of my video. because I want to encourage everybody to look for the beauty in every day. I got to see some amazing, beautiful things this weekend when we went hiking down in Catskill Falls. It's in the Catskills in New York State. So I'll put some of my pictures up there too. And if you would like to show me some beautiful places where you live, please, please, please email me some photos and I will put them at the end of my video. So my email address is in the link below. And I think that's finally it. I think that the verbal overflow is starting to end. This flood of words that has been coming out of my mouth. Just want to thank you all again for subscribing. It was amazing to see that number go to 1K. So super, super fun. All right, everybody, have a great, great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.